The Zuki has a problem. The old girl doesn't have any cup holders. Now, that's a big issue when you're a coffee addict like me. Every time I grab a coffee, there's nowhere to put it, which leads to some, well, let's just say, unsafe driving behaviors. So the first thing we're designing are cup holders. I quickly decided where I wanted them. Here, they wouldn't get on my way, and I wanted to make sure my water bottles could fit as well. Best part, I could use the existing bolts from the seatbelt mount. After some sketches, I thought, okay, let's try this design. But then I realized I don't need all this material. Not because I'm being sustainable, but because I'm being stingy and I want to save filament. So I changed it to this. Time to get the measurements. I used some really advanced calculations, also known as GEL math, to figure out the lengths and angles. Then it was off to CAD. After battling SolidWorks to work on my computer, the model was finally ready to print. It was time to get onto the good stuff, printing. It was my first time using a 3D printer, so I skimmed through the instructions, then tossed them aside and just pressed print. Of course, I forgot a really important part. Then my dad came along and accidentally turned the printer off halfway through. Luckily, Elegoo printers are dad-proof and I could just press continue. And voila, the final product. A total flop. I forgot to add support. Good job, Lou. But this prototype is not going to waste. It helped me check all the dimensions, and they were all wrong. The GEL math didn't math. I'm done for today, but don't worry, I'll be back to fix this.